It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? I know it starts with J. Look back at our seasons and months resource. I heard some of you say we are in January. And what number comes after 13, mathematicians? Well, think when you're counting. 12, 13, 14. I heard some of you look back at our hundreds chart to check. We can start on the 13 and hop one hop, and the number after is indeed 14. If you knew that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. We're on January 14th, 2025. Let's put this on the calendar. And what day of the week are you on today? Do you know it starts with T? Look back at our days of the week resource and find the day of the week that starts with the letter T and sounds like T at the beginning. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you see it? It starts with T at the beginning. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh, here it is. Tuesday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. If today is Tuesday, then what was yesterday? The day before Tuesday is Monday, Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Well, if yesterday was Monday and today is Tuesday, then what's tomorrow? The day after Tuesday is Wednesday. Wednesday. Did you know that? If you did, go ahead and kiss your brain. Remember, kiss your hand, stick it on your head. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And do you recall the season we are in? I noticed some clues. What is the name of the season? I heard some of you say, let's go ahead and look back at our seasons and months resource. Here's January. Look at the picture and word. The season is winter. If you knew that, great job. And let's go ahead and describe the weather for today in Northern Virginia. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. What do you think? Oh, it's definitely sunny today. And then it's going to switch to that sunshine cloud combination called partly cloudy. Let's get those two things. And it is colder today than yesterday. First, let's get sunny. And then around, I believe, 1 o'clock p.m. or so, it'll switch to partly cloudy, and we'll have that sunshine-cloud combination. The high for today is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The low is 21 degrees Fahrenheit. The wind gust this morning, 25 miles per hour. Oh, my goodness. Class, family, this morning at 5:30, it felt like 13 degrees out because of the wind chill factor. And at 7 o'clock p.m., it felt like 12 degrees out. Do you think today's weather feels hot, cold, warm, or cool? Oh, absolutely cold outside. You need to bundle up. Layers, jacket, scarf, hat, gloves, or mittens. Protect yourself. All right, class family, how many days we've been in school? I know that yesterday was a wonderful mathematical day of regrouping, and we made 8 groups of 10 and have the number 80. So what comes after 80? Do you know? Well, think. What is it? I heard some of you say, let's go ahead and look back at our hundreds chart to check. Remember, mathematicians always use resources, and the hundreds chart is an excellent one to use when solving mathematical problems. We can start on the 80, hop one hop. The number after is 81. If you knew that, go ahead and pat yourself on the back. We're going to put an 8 and a 1 together. Get ready to say this number before we add it to our place value chart. Are you ready, mathematicians? 81. We have 8 tens. 1, 1. We're going to get a counting rod and add 1 counting rod to the ones pocket and then start with our 8 tens. How many tens? 8 tens. All right, so let's skip count by tens 8 times. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We'll put the 8 tens back in the tens pocket. Put the 1 with it. Are you ready? You got the 80 in your brain? 81. My goodness, so many days learning together in kindergarten. Let's add a tally mark. You can skywrite by pulling straight down to show how many days we've been in school. And now we shall skip count by 5, 16 times, and then put the 1 with it. Use your finger to point. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81 days learning together in kindergarten. Let's write the date. You need something to write on and something to write with. Starting with your uppercase letter J. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Let's write the date and then read it out loud. Capital letter J. A-N, period, finger space. Write the number 14 with a 1 and a 4, comma, finger space. The year is 2025. 1, 14, 25. Go ahead, mathematicians. Write it and read it. January 14th, 2025. Happy Tuesday.